In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Web Data Source in Power BI Desktop. Connecting to web data lets you pull information straight from a web page or a web endpoint and bring it into your report without manual copying. Once you have Power BI Desktop open, look at the Home tab on the ribbon and choose Get Data. This is your gateway to all the available connectors, and it's the fastest way to start pulling information into your model. In the window that opens, use the search box to look for web. There are a lot of connectors in Power BI, so typing web helps you find exactly what you need quickly. Select the web connector to proceed. You'll see a place to enter the URL where your data lives. This should be the full web address to the data you want, such as a page that has well-structured tables or a direct link to a file or endpoint that returns data. If the page contains recognizable tables, Power BI will often detect them. If the link points to a structured response like CSV or JSON, that typically works even better. If you need more control, choose Advanced. This reveals options designed for more complex scenarios, like entering URL parts separately and adding query parameters, which is helpful when your link relies on values that might change. You'll also see a command timeout setting. Increasing this can help if the website is slow to respond, while lowering it can stop long waits if the site is unreliable. These options are great when you know the pattern of your URL and want to build it in a clean, repeatable way. When you're ready, click OK. Power BI will analyze the address and show you a navigator with a preview of what it found. Here, simply select the data you want. If multiple tables or lists appear, choose the one that matches your needs and make sure the preview looks right. This step is where you confirm you're getting exactly the information you expect. A few quick tips as you work. Make sure the URL you use is publicly accessible or allowed for your environment. Pages that build content dynamically in the browser may not expose data in a way the connector can read, so direct links to structured outputs are ideal. If your source can be slow, consider using the command timeout in the advanced area to avoid interruptions. And that's it. You clicked Get Data, searched for web, entered the URL, or used Advanced for more control, clicked OK, and selected your data. You're ready to start exploring and visualizing it in Power BI.